Hello Stampers, and thank you so much for joining me today. This is Laura Buechler of Inky Fingers Papercrafting, your independent Stampin' Up demonstrator in Nanaimo, BC. Today I'm going to showcase the Forever Greenery suite, one of my absolute favorite suites from the new annual catalog. And then I'll show you how to make a lovely card with these products. Now this suite includes this absolutely gorgeous designer series paper. I've seen probably hundreds of projects created with this paper by demos and crafters all over the world, and every single one I absolutely love it. You just can't go wrong with this paper because it's so lovely. And since it's on sale this month for 15% off, I went ahead and bought myself an extra pack of it. There are 14 other papers on sale this month for 15% off as well, and you can find the full list on my website. I've put a link in the video description for you. Now the next item I want to show you is the stamp set and the dies. Now this bundle includes 11 distinctive stamps and 14 dies, and I promise you, once you have this bundle in your craft room, you're going to be reaching for it constantly. Just look at the rich dimension and texture that is created by these stamps. They really come to life on the page. All of the greenery stamps in this set can be cut out with the coordinating dies, and the die set also includes some additional shapes that you can cut out without stamping, so that just gives you more options to add more texture and interest to your project. And the dies also coordinate with some of the images on the designer series paper. And there are great sentiments in this stamp set too, and in such a creative font. I particularly like "To a Friend That Makes Me Smile" and "You Can Do This." "Love and Laughter Forever After" is of course perfect for a wedding or engagement card. Now this suite includes not one, but 2 embossing folders, both of which will fit in our mini Stampin' Cut and Emboss machine, which is coming soon. The folders both feature beautiful greenery images, and I love the creative design on this one, which seems to create a focal point by leaving an unembossed space on your cardstock. There are 2 gorgeous embellishment items part of this suite, which is a combo trim pack and gold hoops. And I can't show you these because I haven't bought them, but what I will show you is the Forever Gold laser cut specialty paper. I'm completely in love with this product. So for $20, you get 6 sheets of laser cut paper, which includes 3 sheets of these beautiful card fronts, and then 3 sheets of foliage designs, including these pieces that are perfect for going and layering with some punched shapes. And then these designs that you could use pretty much anywhere on your project. All of these are stunning gold foil on one side, or you can flip them over and use the white side. And you could even color on the white side with your blends. So let me show you some of the projects that my team and I have created with this suite. For this one, I've used the card front, the gold card front, and flipped it over to the white side. And here's the gold card front in all its gold shimmery glory. For this card, I've used some of the gold foliage. And again, gold foliage on this fancy card behind the punched shape. Look at the gorgeous dimension in those distinctive stamps. And this shows off one of the embossing folders as well. And some of those die cut shapes that are not stamped, but just add more texture to your card. So now that I've talked all about the suite, I'm going to walk you through making a really simple yet stunning card with these products. The measurements for your card are a card base of 5.5 by 8.5, a soft seafoam layer of 4 by 5 1/4, 2 pieces of designer series paper cut to 5 by 1 inch, and you'll need some scraps of white as well as shaded spruce, garden green, and soft seafoam cardstock for stamping and cutting. So I'm going to start by running this soft seafoam layer through my embossing machine with one of the Greenery embossing folders. Look at the results on that, it's just gorgeous. Now with my 2 DSP pieces, I'm going to use my triple banner punch on one end and just play with them a little so I know what length I want them to be. I can trim one of them or both of them at the top once I know how I want them to sit. Now I'm going to stamp one of these beautiful greenery images on my scrap white cardstock and cut it out with the coordinating die. Now, in addition to cutting this out with the coordinating die, I'm going to cut a couple other greenery images with some of these other dies. These are the ones that don't coordinate with stamps, but you can just use them to create beautiful shapes. And I've already cut a white circle and a scalloped circle using dies from my Layering Circles die set. I'm going to stamp my sentiment. I'm just going to use the little hello, and I'm just going to put it sort of over to the side of the circle here. Again, using my beautiful shaded spruce ink. And finally, I'm going to choose one of these foliage pieces from my laser cut specialty paper. And now I'm ready to assemble my card. And there's my finished card. Remember that you'll get a chance to win this card when you share the video. Leave a comment below to let me know that you've shared, and maybe I'll be sending you this card in the mail. Thanks so much for watching, everyone. I really appreciate it, and I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. Please drop me a comment below and let me know what you think. If there's something specific that you're looking to learn about, just ask. Remember that you can purchase all the products shown on my website, inkyfingers.ca, where you'll also find more project tutorials, current promotional details and catalogs, and the sign up for my monthly email newsletter. I'm not currently offering in-person classes, but you can visit my website to sign up for Creativity to Go, which means once a month you'll get prepared supplies and tutorials delivered right to your door for you to complete on your own schedule. I am also hosting casual Zoom crafting sessions where you can bring any project you happen to be working on and enjoy a fun social crafting time with others. Find all of these details and so much more on my website. If you're watching this on YouTube, I want to let you know that I have a Facebook page called Inky Fingers Papercrafting, where you can join a weekly creative challenge and win a prize from me. And if you do place an order, please use the current Hostess Code, which you can find on my website, because everyone who uses that code will get a free gift from me. If you'd like to earn your own Hostess rewards, all you need to do is place an order of over $200 or contact me and we'll start planning your own online party. Drop me a line for more details. Have a great day, everyone, and happy stamping. Bye!